Look at the question number 18. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top and bottom of transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter height building are 60° and 45° respectively. Find the height of the transmission tower. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ height of the building ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 20 meter ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So the angle of elevation is 60° and 45°. So here we have to find the height of the transmission tower ಅಲ್ವಾ? So AB height ಅನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. AB ಏನಿದೆ? Transmission of the tower ಇದೆ. So write down the given data. So here height of the building BC is equal to 20 meter and theta is angle of elevation is 60° and 45°. So here we have to find the transmission tower height is AB. So in a triangle BCD, ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 20 meter. So BC ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು ಕೂಡ 20 meter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So in a triangle BCD. So BCD ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? tan theta is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 45° opposite side ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ? BC ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Adjacent side is CD. So tan theta is equal to BC divided by CD. So tan 45° is equal to BC is 20 meter divided by CD. So CD tan 45° is 1 is equal to 20 divided by CD. Therefore CD is equal to 20 meter. Okay, so CD length ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು 20 meter ಅಂತ. So in triangle ACD, so bigger triangle ACD, angle 60° ಗೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ? AC ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ? BC ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ CD ಲೆಂತ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ BC ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ in a triangle ACD tan theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? AC divided by BCD. So AC divided by CD. So tan 60° is equal to AC is AB plus BC ಅಲ್ವಾ? So AC ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? AB plus BC ಅನ್ನ ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ AC ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Divided by CD. So tan 60° is √3 is equal to AB plus BC ಏನಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ? 20 meter. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರುವ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ BC ಲೆಂತ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 20 meter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Divided by CD is 20 meter. So √3 into 20 is equal to AB plus 20 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So AB is equal to √3 into 20 minus 20. So AB is equal to, here 20 is common in both sides. So √3 minus 1 meter. So the height of the transmission tower AB, therefore height of the transmission tower AB is equal to 20 √3 minus 1 meter. Okay.